Hi ladies and gentlemen, I'm back again with my new recipe. I have been away for quite some times because my account has been hacked by someone and I could hardly recover it. Today's recipe is going to be turkey liver with pomegranate molasses. We need 600 grams of turkey liver, 1 teaspoon of pomegranate molasses, half teaspoon of cinnamon. We need red pepper flakes. If it is not available, you can use paprika instead. And if you prefer the hot one, you can take it. Salt, pimento or pimino, and this is the ground virgin. And we need black pepper. We need almost 300 grams of onions, and you can choose the size of onions you would like to use. We need this type of green pepper. If it is not available, you can use jalapeno or any type. We need 6 cloves of garlic. First, I would like to cut the turkey liver. I don't need those parts, so get rid of them. I want to slice the onions, and I would like to show you how to slice them. Now I would like to make them loose. Because I need the onions to look like this shape. Now it's time to slice the peppers. I need the seeds as well. And now the garlic. I don't have the garlic press right now, so I'm using this way. You can use the garlic press and it's easier. This is the result that I'm looking for. First, I add the vegetable oil. You need 1 tablespoon and a half. And on high heat, I add the turkey liver and I begin stirring. the liquids begin to come out of the liver, as you can see, and it unites with the oil. Can you see that? Now, as you can see, the liver gets harder and it turns completely white brown color. I continue stirring for 5 minutes more, so all the liquids come out of the liver and it gets harder. I'll leave it for 3 minutes more. As you can see, the liver is swimming in a lake of juices. Now the final stage is over. I want to get rid of all those juices and liquids, and all I need is just the liver. I add more vegetable oil, almost 1 tablespoon and a half. Now I would like to add the onions. I begin stirring again. More vegetable oil. The onions begins to lose the water inside them, so the size is reduced. I want to keep stir for more 5 minutes, as you can see. I need 10 minutes of stirring from the beginning to the end until the third stage starts. As you can see, the onions consistency is changing. The onions are still crunchy, as you can see. After the 10 minutes is over, I will add the turkey liver again. And I mix all the ingredients together. Now I add the cinnamon, the pimento, now I add the pepper flakes. I don't want to add more because I will add the green pepper, so 1 teaspoon is fair. If you'd like it hot and spicy, you can add more pepper flakes or paprika. Add salt. Now I add the green pepper and the garlic. What a great smell. Now I'm gonna add the pomegranate molasses. If you love the taste of pomegranate molasses, you can add more. The last stage needs from 15 to 20 minutes, and the whole liver recipe is going to be ready. Finally, we add a pinch of black pepper and the whole recipe is ready. I hope you like this recipe, and if so, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Now it's ready. You can eat that with pita bread, with tahini sauce or yogurt, and it will be perfect. And do not forget the cucumber pickles.